In this video, we are going to design a web page for demonstrating different core JavaScript references, or you can say objects. We are going to check three objects today: array, boolean, and date. So whenever you are saying a variable can store one value at a time. Instead of that, you can use array to store multiple values with the same name. So let us check how to declare a array. So we started with the HTML body and script tag, and inside the script tag I have declared the array with a let keyword. Let array name I have given as fruits is equal to square bracket indicates it's a array. So under that fruits variable, I have stored three values over here: apple, banana, and cherry. As these are the string values, I have given it in double quotes. If it is a number value without double quotes, just separate the values using comma. So square bracket indicates it's an array. You can give list of values, just separate them using comma. And depending upon the number of values you have given to the array, that is the size of the array. So in this case, the size of the array is 3 because 3 values we have given for the fruit array. Now let us check some of the properties and method of the array object. So using document.write, we are displaying what that particular property and method is giving us the result. So I'm saying document.write, which is for display purpose on the output screen. Fruits is the array name. Dot length is a property which will display the length of the array. You all can count the number of elements of the array. It is apple, banana, cherry. So length value will be 3. Plus sign I have used for concatenation, and then I have just included a space. So all the output will be together with space separation. So you can see fruits dot length output, you can see under the browser window it is 3. That is the length of the array. Then I have just added a space. All of you can see the space. Okay. Now let us check the next method of the array, that is a push method. So I am saying array name dot push and the value that I want to insert. So push method is used to insert the value in the array. So I have added mango as the fourth element in the array. Plus sign, that's for concatenation, and I have just added one space so that in the output you can see the space. Otherwise all values will come together without any separation. So you can see mango is added under the array. Now what will be the length? Initially it was having a length as 3, apple, banana, cherry, length was 3. Once the mango is added, length will become 4. So you can see in the output, after adding the mango, we get the result as 4. Next, you can see the method as pop. I am saying fruits dot pop. Pop is a method of an array to remove the last element. So apple was the first element, next banana, next cherry, and next is mango. So whenever you are saying pop, it will remove the last element from the array. So as mango was the last element, it will get removed. It will display what it has removed. So it has removed mango. Again plus sign for concatenation I have used, and I have added a space. Next, I'm using an important method as index of. If I want to find an index of a particular element, I will use an index of method to retrieve the index of that element. So you can say fruits dot index of the element I'm saying banana. So apple will be at index 0. Whenever we are saying array, index starts with 0. So for apple, the index will be 0. For banana, the index will be 1. For cherry, the index will be 2, and on. So if I want to find the index of banana, I have used the index of method. The output will be 1 because banana is present at second position, but index starts with 0. That's why the output is 1. You can see the output as 1 in the browser. Next, join is a method to join the array elements. So if I want to join the array elements and I want to separate them with any particular element, I can use a join method. So I'm saying array name, which is fruits dot join. I want to join all the elements by comma. You can join it with any element. Suppose I am writing I want to join it using star instead of comma. I can join the element by star. I have just added a space and then the result. So just see, now I have merged all the element using a star. So you can see apple is the first element, then join star with the second element, then join. That is how it will work. So you can specify any element with the help of which you want to join the array. Next, I have specified document.write, and under that I have included a BR tag. BR is one of the HTML tag, and as I'm using it in the JavaScript, I have to include it in double quotes. So BR for break line. So I will be having a line break and then I will start the next object output. So that is about array. Next is a Boolean object. So whenever you are saying Boolean object, you can store using a Boolean variable true and false value. So I have declared one variable as boolval. Initial value I have given as true, and then just by using document.write I am displaying different methods and properties of Boolean object. So first I have included the method as toString. It will just convert the Boolean value to a string value. So initially it was storing true or false. Now as I have converted it to string, the output is converted to string. So I am saying boolval.toString is the method which shall convert the true value to string. That means it will add double quotes, but you cannot see double quotes in the output. Plus sign for concatenation, I have just added a space. So you can see true as output, I have converted it to string and then the space. Next, I have checked the value of boolval. So value of function will give the actual value stored under the variable. So actual value stored under the boolval is true, so it will display the result as true. Plus sign I have used for concatenation and I have just added a space. Next, I am saying not of boolval. Not means it is the negation operator used to negate the value. So if the value is true, it will make it false. If the value is false, it will make it true. So all of you can see after saying not of boolval, we will get the result as false because boolval was holding true. Because of not, the result is false. Next, you can see double not of boolval. Double not means that is a double negation. So if your value is true, it will make it false, and because of double not, it will again make it true. So that's the reason you can see the result as true. I have just separated the result by space. So I said plus sign for concatenation and I have added a space. Space is a character, so that's why we have to add it in double quotes or in single quote. Next, I have used a type of function to check the type of this particular variable. So type of boolval, which is the variable. So type of boolval is Boolean. So that's why you can see Boolean in the result. So over here we have used the simple methods of the Boolean variable. We have converted it to string. We have checked what is the actual value of boolval. We have performed a negation operation. We have performed double negation operation. And we have just checked what is the type of the variable. Document.write BR, that is just to add a line break in the output. Next we will check the date object. Date object is basically used to retrieve the date from the system and to get different values from the date object. Like we can get full year, or we can get month, we can get date, we can get day, we can get hours, minutes, seconds, all value from the system date. If I want to retrieve or if I want to set, I will be using the date object. So I have declared a variable let today is equal to new date. So if I will be saying variable is equal to new date, it will retrieve the current date and time from the system. So today will be holding the current date and time from the system. So using document.write, I have just displayed today and converting it to string. So before displaying, I am just converting it to string and I have displayed it. So you can see today's date over here. So you can see the today's date. First, it is showing the day information, that is Tuesday, September 30, 2025. The time, Indian Standard Time, it is showing as a result. So that's the result of today. and I have just converted it to string, and then I have displayed the complete date. Next, if I want to retrieve only the year information, full year information, I will be using the method as get full year. So I just have to write the variable today, which is holding the complete date and time information. I have used get full year method to retrieve the full year from it. So all of you can see the result over here. The result is present as 2025. So that is how it will be working. Okay, then I have used get month. Get month means it will retrieve the current month. Current month is September, but the month value will start from 0 to 11. 0 for January, this is the ninth month, that is September. As the month is started with 0, September is the 8th month, because for January the number representation is 0. System will hold the number for every month starting from 0. So get month will give the result as 8, 8 for September. For November, it will be 11th month, but in the system it will be stored as 10. For December, it is a 12th month, but in the system it will store it as 11 because it is starting with a value as 0. Get date, it will display the current date. So you can see 30 is the current date it is displaying. Get day, it will retrieve the day information of the week. Day will be from 0 to 6. For Sunday, the result will be 0. For Monday, the result will be 1. For Tuesday, the result will be 2. For Saturday, the result will be 6. Like that, the result will be. So today is Tuesday, so that's why you can see the output is 2. Because for Sunday, the value is 0. For Monday, it is 1. So for Tuesday, the value will be 2. So you can see the result over here, that is the full date. Then we retrieved the full year, then the month, then the date, and then day. So that is how the objects works. Each object is having a specific properties and methods. You can use those properties and methods for your program. So that's about three objects: array, boolean, and date. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.